Brookside, which does contain scenes some viewers may find distressing, particularly those with very ill relatives.
All right, just checking.
Oh, you're like the speaking clock buzzing in my ear every 10 seconds.
Yeah, well, can you blame me after yesterday?
For not even letting me lock the toilet door.
Yeah, because if you go into labour when you're locked in here, what happens then? Hey, what happens? Have to call out the fire brigade, emergency services, all sorts.
Jimmy, it's a baby I'm expecting, not a bloody aircraft carrier.
Yeah, well, I've cracked it anyway. All this waiting's going to be over soon.
Indian food.
Yeah, one of our Lindsay's magazines. All sorts of recipes in here, lots of exotic grub.
And
I am going to make you the hottest curry in history. Says you can rustle one up in 20 minutes in here.
what for?
Oh, love, think about it. All that hot and spicy scram inside you. Junior won't know what's hitting. He'll be out of there like a shot.
Jimmy, I haven't heard so much crap in all my life.
Where the hell's the doctor?
Be a sink.
Just a little bit more, Mum. Come on. Come on, just a little bit more. She can't. She's too weak. Mum, try and open your mouth, eh? Say your medicine, Mum. Come on, it'll help ease the pain. Come on. Oh, that's it. Yes. Just one big swallow. Oh, Mum.
Oh, come on, Glad. It'll be all right. It's gonna be fine. It's fine.
We'll look after you, Mum. That's it. I'm phoning an ambulance. I don't care.
Cassie, no.
I can't stand it. She needs help.
What the hell do you think we're doing?
Proper help in a hospital, Mum.
Cassie, you know that's not what you want.
Mum, I'm going to phone an ambulance and get you into the hospital.
Cassie, she stays here with her family. That's what she wants.
She's too sick to know what she wants.
Why do you think she made a living will? Because she knew what it was going to be like.
She can't have known it was going to be this bad, that she was going to be in this much pain. Mick, we've got to get her into hospital. Tell her.
That's not what your mum wants, Cassie. She's better here with us, with family, than in the hospital with strangers.
We promised her, Cass. We said she wouldn't end up in hospital.
I don't understand. It doesn't make sense.
It's what she wants, Cass. It's what my mum wants.
I'll be the doctor.
I'll get it.
I don't understand. I just don't understand.
Michael!
Morning, Pops.
Washed your hands?
Yeah, smell the soap again.
Get off. Which towel did you use?
You what?
Which towel did you use to dry your hands?
The red one.
Right. The blue one's mine.
Are you serious?
True right, I'm serious. I don't want a dose, thank you very much.
You what? You'd be washing the toilet seat. Oh, I don't believe you.
Hey, listen, sunshine, you and me are from different generations. Now, it might be all very well and good for Lady Di to go around shaking hands with AIDS patients and all sorts, but I would rather be safe than sorry if it's all the same to you.
Different generations, all right. You're from the Dark Ages.
You what?
Anyone or anything who's different, it's always the same with you. You want to listen to yourself? You sound like Alf Bloody Garnet. And I'll tell you another thing as well, you're a hypocrite.
Who is?
You are. I've seen it in our Jackie's bar, eyes on stalk, slobbering at the mouth.
Oh, behave yourself.
Behave yourself nothing. Given half the chance, you'd be in there like a shot.
No, I wouldn't.
Yes, you would. So before you start rabbiting on about wearing condoms, just cast your mind back to what happened when you first met Bev. You know, when you thought you were Josh's father. Remember that one, do you? Went fishing without your oilskins on, eh? I'm gonna slap her like that as well.
3 o'clock.
That's great. I'll see you then. Thanks. Bye.
Okay?
Yeah, I've got an appointment at 3 o'clock. Best to get it checked out, eh?
Yeah, it's probably nothing, but best to be on the safe side.
How is she?
Getting a bit of rest. The jab helped.
Has the doctor got off?
Yeah, be back tomorrow.
And look, you two, I'm sorry.
Hey.
Cass, there's really no need.
I know. It was just seeing her like that. I mean, I know she doesn't want to go back to the hospital. I just can't bear to see her suffering.
It's not easy for any of us, Cass.
I know, but maybe you'll make her used to it, eh? I mean, you've been sitting up with it all night.
I'll go get some fresh water.
Hey, sit down, you. Dead on your feet. I'll do it.
Oh, thanks, Cass.
Don't you want anything from the shops? Milk or something?
There's a couple of pints of milk and loaf of bread, eh?
I'll sort it. You two take half an hour.
Front row seats, eh?
When me and Cass were kids, I must have been about 4 or 5. My mum used to work in a meat factory, you know, putting spam into tins and that. 10 hours a day she used to work. Gotta get the OVs in, girls, she used to say. She used to come home knackered. Then it was straight into the kitchen to make the tea. And then she'd sit in the same chair in front of the telly. And 5 minutes into Coronation Street, she'd be fast asleep. And do you know what me and Cass used to do? We used to sit and make sure she was still breathing. It's daft, isn't it? I think we were terrified she might die or something. The hours we'd sit, just watching her breathe. And I'm looking at my mum now, and you know what I'm thinking? After the night she had last night, I'm thinking, stop breathing. Just please stop breathing.
You all right, Dad?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just off to work.
Yeah, me too, and I've, you know.
Right then.
Right then.
Well, I'll see you later, Dad, yeah?
Yeah. Hold on, son. Look, I think I owe you an apology.
Yeah, me too. Saying all that stuff about Bev, I'm sorry, Dad.
Yeah, and I'm sorry for making such a song and dance about, you know what. I know I went about things the wrong way, but I'm only trying to tell you for your own good, you know.
Yeah, I know you are.
I do worry about you, son. It's a different world now than the one I grew up in. I mean, you should be out looking to meet a nice, respectable girl, settle down.
Last time I did, I ended up rotting in jail in Bangkok, remember?
Aye, that's true enough, yeah.
Look, Dad, I promise you I'm going to be more careful. Just safe sex for me from now on.
Right. And I promise that I won't mention, you know what again. Okay, deal?
Deal. Moby's looking good.
Ah, yeah.
Business still booming, is it?
Certainly is, especially since I saw off that no-mark Dick Ronson. Tell you what, son, the world, or at least Norris Green, is my oyster.
Well, happy motor and Dad, and I'll see you later.
Ta-ra, son.
onion bhaji's and poppadoms to start, followed by a nice hot chicken mattress. And if that doesn't do the trick, I've got a prawn vindaloo in reserve.
Jimmy, I can't eat all that.
Jackie, you are eating for two now, remember? But not for much longer. Because if this lot doesn't shift the boy wonder, nothing will.
Oh, yeah.
I love. How's your mum?
Oh, the doc's just been and give it a shot. She's sleeping now, but if you'd have seen it this morning.
That bad, was she?
Oh, yeah, crying like a baby.
Oh, God.
Poor old Glad, eh?
Yeah, she's getting weaker all the time.
Just a case of waiting now, is it?
Oh, but the thought of her having to go through much more of that.
It's probably better, love, you know, if it happens sooner rather than later. I mean, if she's in so much pain.
Jackie, I know she's suffering, and I know you mean well. But hoping she goes before her time. Nah, I wouldn't wish that on anyone.
Cassie, love.
Come in. Ollie.
Oh, Clive.
Sit down. It's been ages. How are you?
Fine. Great.
Good. Saw Belle the other day. She's looking very well. Have you been away?
No. Well, we haven't had the time, to be honest.
Belle seemed very up, I must say. Things are obviously going very well for the two of you.
Yes, they are very well.
Good. And the kids?
Great. Yes, they've grown up, left home.
Doing their own thing, eh?
Yeah, something like that.
Well, what can we do for you?
I think I might have some sort of infection.
Oh, yes.
Down below, you know.
Any discharge?
Yeah, a little.
Right. Okay, well, trousers down, hop on the bed, and we'll soon get you sorted, all right?
Charlie, is that you? You're home from work, Charles. Put the latch on. Make sure the latch is on. Put the latch on for the girls, Charlie.
She must be dreaming.
Yeah, got a bit of morphine.
Charlie, is that you?
Yeah, I'm here, Glad.
Oh, God makes you think she's tired.
I've made some tea.
Are the girls with you, Charlie?
Yeah.
God, are they good girls? Promise me you'll look after them when I've gone, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, Charlie. You're a good man. I'm lucky to have you.
Gonorrhea? It can't be.
I'm fairly certain.
But I mean, how?
I can answer that if you really want me to.
No, I'm sorry. Well, I've only had sex once in the last 6 months.
And your partner? Do you know her sexual history?
Well, I thought I did. It's my wife, for God's sake. It's Belle.
I see. Well, I'm going to refer you to the GU clinic, and I suggest she makes an appointment there as well.
The what?
It Department of Genito-Urinary Medicine at the hospital.
Oh, the Clap Clinic.
It's a very simple treatment, Ollie, and they can run some other tests on you while you're there.
What other tests?
Gonorrhea is a sexually transmitted disease.
All right. So if I've got the clap, then God knows what else I've got.
I think it would be wise to get yourself checked out.
Jad, the doctor's given us one off. It's all right, Mum. You're all right. Me and Cassie are here. Oh, God. Mum. Mum. What is it? What's happening? I don't know. It must be some kind of seizure or something. It must be the pain. She can't take it.
You're gonna be all right, Mum. You're gonna be okay.
Oh, I wish there was something we could do for her. I can't stand this much longer.
Hey, Elaine, she needs you to be strong.
I know, but look at her.
Hey, we are not giving up on her. We're here for you, Mum. Look, it's just a bad patch. She's gonna pull through.
No, this is it. I know it.
No, what?
We're losing her and she's gonna die.
Oh, no, stop it. You've got to be positive. Listen to me, Mum. You've got to keep fighting. Keep hoping.
Beat it, would you, cracky, you greedy little get. Right. There you go, love. Oh. One chicken madras, extra hot, my own special recipe.
Looks lovely.
Well, go on then. Get tucked in.
Smells delicious. Oh.
What's up? Has the baby started?
No, it's just my back's aching. You couldn't be a love, could you, and go upstairs and get a pillow?
What, upstairs? Oh, my scramble got cold.
Oh.
All right, all right. One pillow coming up.
I can't wait to get into this. Here you are, Cracks, come on. Here you are, Gail. That'll put a spring in your step. Go on. Here you are.
Yours?
Yeah, I think so.
It's been a hell of a few days, isn't it?
Oh, you can say that again.
Just when you think things can't get any worse.
What a bloody miserable way to go.
It's not fair. No one deserves what your mum's going through.
The jab the doctor gave is going to be wearing off soon.
I was trying not to think that far ahead.
Well, what are we going to do when the pain starts again?
Oh, we've still got some liquid morphine.
Yeah, it's supposed to last 4 days. We've used most of it already. If we poured any more of that stuff down her throat, it's going to kill her.
Bloody hell. My gob's on fire here.
Spicy enough for you?
Can hardly breathe. And I can't believe the way you wolfed that down, Jackie. You must have guts made of iron.
I was hungry, wasn't I, enough? And I'm mixing for two, remember?
Any movement then, or what?
All quiet, I'm afraid.
Give it half an hour. You'll see. Oh, God. I'm sweating cobs here.
It's been hot in here. Oh, my God. Jimmy, you better dial 999.
Has it started?
Not for me, for crackers. She's spark house.
Oh, my God. She isn't dead, is she?
Right now, before we join Tina Dallin in Helsinki.
Meg, please.
All right, I'm coming.
Please. She's...
Come on, Glenn. You gotta try and say something, darling.
Mum. Mum, can you hear me? Mum, we've got to try and sit you up. Mum.
What is it, Glenn? He's trying to say something.
What?
My
Bag. Charles' handbag. It's over there. Please. It's okay, Mom. We're gonna get your handbag for you.
Holly, where have you been? Why didn't you phone? Holly, what's wrong? Holly, what are you doing?
This is what I'm looking for.
Bleach.
Kills all known germs. Dead. Just the thing. For a dose of the clap.
What?
The clap! The pox! The lurgies! VD!
What, you?
Yes. Me.
How? When?
Don't you dare. Well, are you going to tell me? Oh, come on then, spit it out! Aren't you going to tell me who you've been with this time? No, I didn't think so. You disgusting little woman.
You know what she was looking for, don't you?
Please.
Oh no, Mom. Don't do that.